Either we're cuddling in the 3-man tonight, or sleeping under the stars, or I did bring a tarp so I can build a shelter. Well, as embarrassed as I am that I forgot my tent, I think that it was ultimately meant to be. For anyone who watched my last video, I did build a shelter and I didn't end up spending the night, so this is about redemption. Well, this is what I'm looking at for shelter tonight. It's not the prettiest setup, but I got a inflatable mattress, sleeping bag, pillow, and some space for my gear.
Yeah, I got it.